Hey people, Summer here. It's finally come. My brand new airbrush. After months of waiting, it's finally here. By a company called Galea. Anyway, let's have a look at it. This is a brand new unboxing. It comes in a cardboard packaging to start with. And then it's double packed. Wow, straight away. I love the purple. Oh, I hate this bit. On the back you've got a good blueprint diagram explaining what all the little, I'll just get that out of the way. Explaining what all the little seals are, washers, all the where all the hoses go. Oops, don't know what happened there. I love it. Like Galileo, I'd never heard of the company before, but there were online. There were ones ranging from 40 to 100, so I thought I'd buy a mid-range one just to give me a bit of quality and reassurance. It's all the fittings are 3/8 onto the hose. Anyway, let's get inside it. I love this part. I'm not very good at it, so here comes. Let's cut it. You have to bear with me. One cut. I told you I'm not right elegant at this. Let's give it a feel. No, I meant to do it in one go. I suppose that's not bad. Take it off. Alright, you can always feel the weight of a good product almost instantly. This is the bit we all want now. Right, how do I get into it? Oh, there, look. Where? What now? Well, I can't seem to move it. Oh, there, sorry, yeah, there. I found that little sticker there, look. Let me try to peel it off. Come on. I'm not. What am I doing? Just use a knife, cut it. That's it. Right, I'm sorry about this, just bear with me. You know what, this is my first product review really. Right, come on. When you watch other people doing this, it always goes perfect. Oh, everything's just going wrong. Right, I think we've done it now, let's start again. Right, inside the box we've got the instructions. This was just explaining about the company and about all the bits and pieces again. Like on the back, but just in a bit more detail. Yep. Back to the side. I don't know what this is. A cardboard with some company logos on. Bit of advertisement. This is the bit we want. Are you ready? Look at that! Wow! Look at it! I don't know what these are. Little seals. Always make sure you put them somewhere safe and don't lose them. Right. Let's have a look. Let's get all this out of the way first. Move that. I put it on. Right. Let's have a look. Come on. Look at that, guys. Looks like a proper gun. I just want to look at it. Look at the gleam. Look at the shine. Right, let's feel it. Oh, I can already tell the quality just by... Look at it. It just feels quality. Look at that titanium silver. Gunmetal. Gold seal there. Oh, just the sophistication and... Oh, look. Oh, it's got a little cap. Oh, that come off. Oh, it just pulls off. Get it off. So look. The rings just pull off, or does it twist? It pulls off. Yeah. It just feels everything is so tight in this here. I don't know what this little bit is here. Unless it's some kind of unscrewing device, like a little tightening bit, but nozzle. This is your paint cup. You only get one. And it just screws into the top. Oh no, I'll just get it on for you. It's you've got a large capacity, so you won't have to refill it. You should be able to do a full model. But I'm telling you, these are good for almost anything. From model painting to car work, to body car work, dints and scratches, to cake decorating, nail art, arts and crafts. They're not just good for modelling, they're good for anything. And I'd rather buy one of these than take my car to a garage to get body work repaired. But just look at it. You know what, I'm really happy with this. Like I said, it's a double action. So it fits up to a compressor with a 3/8 hose connection, and then you're off to go. I will do a video on the performance just to show you how it performs, but if it performs anything better, even slightly, than the cheaper £40 ones, then you're not going to go wrong. Right, that's it. Summer out. I hope you enjoyed it.